Welcome to Tasker Terry Assembly. In this video I'm going to show you how to anchor an IKEA dresser to the wall. This is for any of the IKEA dressers or chests that have the anchor unlock feature. So the first thing is to put the dresser precisely where you want it. You're not going to be able to move it after you're anchoring it. So we're looking inside the dresser now on the right hand side, and you can see the metal lock parts right there. So in the first step, we're going to extend the metal lock back, and we're going to draw a little mark on the wall where the hole is. This particular dresser is a larger one and has 4 of the anchor locks, 2 in the middle and 2 on the outsides. If yours only have them on the outsides, then only do the 2. So once we've marked the anchoring locations, we can move the dresser back out of the way. This is a larger one, you're going to want help for it. These dressers typically come with the anchors and screws to mount them to the wall. So we're going to get the appropriate size drill bit for the anchors, and we're going to drill out the 4 holes. Or 2 if your dresser only has the 2. Next, we're going to insert the anchors and tap them into place. Then you can lightly tap them right in. And now we'll move the dresser back into place exactly where it was, so all the holes line up properly. Alright, so we're perfectly lined up. Now you see in the package you get these black little spacers that are accordion style. They're square. You may not need 4 in each spot. You need the thickness of your baseboard. That metal lock does not go right to the wall, so you need enough spacers to engage the lock function. So in this particular assembly I just needed 2. Because it has very thin baseboards, and I'm going to show you here in a second. If you put 2 in and it's not enough, you won't be able to unlock these slides. You can see how the black lock has lifted up and is no longer engaged in the slide. If it's still engaged, then you need more of those spacers. So again, just 2 in this particular installation. That's the same thickness as the baseboards. And we're going to do the same thing in all 4 locations, and each time we're going to check that the drawer slides are sliding properly and not locked. Now here you can see the slide is no longer engaged in the black clip at the end. The black clip is lifted high enough. You can see here it is engaged. So we're going to break 2 of these off, fold them, and put them behind the metal lock. Hopefully this video has helped you out with your IKEA dresser and mounting to the wall, and if it has, give me a like and a follow. I'd appreciate it. I've got lots and lots of IKEA assembly videos. And again, check to make sure your drawer slide is going to slide. You can see the black lock is lifted up and is no longer engaged. If you don't mount your dresser to the wall, you can only open one drawer at a time on each side of the dresser. So what locking it does is it enables you to open all of the drawers at once, but also gives you security if you have children that may climb up the dresser. And that's the last one. You can see the black lock is now lifted up and is no longer engaged in the drawer slide. Thanks for watching.